Check first if there is a common factor for all the terms. If none, then try factoring by grouping. Identify which two terms have a common factor and pair them together. Now factor each pair. As you can see, these two sets of factors have a common binomial factor, which is 3n minus 4. To find the next factor, divide each set by the common binomial factor 3n minus 4. We pair the terms differently. Let us rewrite the polynomial by putting the paired terms beside each other. Let's now factor the paired terms. This time, these two sets of factors have a common binomial factor of n squared plus 3. To find the next factor, let us divide each set by the common binomial factor n squared plus 3. That our final answer here is the same as the answer in the previous method.
So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below!